Hello everybody and welcome back to Cash Stuffing Sunday. I have to be kind of quiet because my daughter is literally asleep on the couch behind me, so I need to get this done. I'm not going to lie, I'm absolutely gutted that Ireland are out of the World Cup. Just absolutely gutted. I thought I'd get this video done earlier, but you know, with the rugby being on and whatever, I just couldn't do it. We were just too involved. So yeah, tonight's Cash Stuffing is going to be really quick. I did want to do a video using the new templates that I have produced for people, but again, I just don't have the energy tonight. We're absolutely gutted, so I think we'll just stick to the basics tonight, get the job done and dusted, and then we'll go into doing the templates maybe next week. I'll hopefully have a little bit more time next week to get it all done and do it properly. So with that being said, let's do it. Let's cash stuff 250 quid, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 250 smackerinos, and all in tenors this time as well, which is a rarity. But yeah, that's all I got. So let's stuff. I don't know if I'm doing sinking funds today. I can't remember what way I've written everything out, so there'll be that. So let's go. 50 quid is into council tax, which that bill will be upon me before I even know it. It always is. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let's put that back there. So let's take this one out, and we're doing council tax first. 50 schmackerinos. God, do you hear her snoring? Honestly, she's got her tonsils up. So yeah, we're going to have a night of it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is going into childcare, which I have just literally paid. So I'm glad that bill is done. That's the kicker for me, that one. It's just so expensive. But you know what? She's starting school next year, so I can't really complain. Food is getting 50. I have, yeah, food's getting 50, yeah, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Bless her snoring. Very is getting 20. I actually need to put this money into the Very account. 10, 20. Just so that I have it in there, you know. Sports is also getting 20. Yeah, there's not a lot to go around this week. It's just doing the basics. But you know, you get weeks like that. It just is what it is. 10 quid for fuel. Argos needs to start getting hit as well. 10 quid for fuel. Okay, so it looks like we are doing some sinking funds tonight. 10 quid is going into the home. Don't know what we have on that, but I'm not going to worry about it. Oh, that's the challenge. Never mind. Oh God, I put it into the wrong one. God, you can tell it's late at night and I can't even think straight. I want to get 2 fibres. Feck it, it'd be grand. Right, this is going to the house. 10 quid. Let's just do it like that. I have no idea what's actually in the house fund now. I haven't checked it in a while. Birthdays is getting a fiver. Good job, I took them out. Fiver for birthdays. What else is it? Insurance is getting a tenner. What else? Xmas is getting a fiver. And emergency funds is getting the last tenner. Yay! Emergency funds is coming up a bit. Now, oh, we have another tenner. Where did that come out of? The insurance, Xmas, birthdays, emergency funds, fuel. What am I going to put this one into? Do I have anything on this challenge I can put into? Do I have a £10 challenge? No, but you know what? I have a £5 challenge. That's not going to work. Hold on, let me split this for a fiver. Oh, wait a minute. I'll put a fiver into birthdays. There we go. I'll take that. We'll put that in. I'll put this fiver into the £1,000 challenge. Yeah, buddy. I don't know how I always wind up doing that. I always miscalculate. Now, that's that done. I don't have any coins this week, guys, so we're just going to be leaving the penny saving challenge as it is. This is super quick. You'd be lucky to even get 5 minutes out of this video. But sure, look at, you know what, nice and snappy does it. You don't need to be having a big long spiel listening to me talk. I mean, there's enough of them out there that does that. Folks, I hope you have a great week. Again, gutted about the rugby, but sure, look, it is what it is. I shall talk to you all next week, and hopefully I will get my shiza together, and we'll talk about the new sheets for going forward in 2024 with our budgets and how we're going to plan them. Guys, I love yous and leave yous. Talk to you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the YouTubey things. And yeah, here's to a good rest of the World Cup without Ireland. But anyway, maybe in the next 4 years. Bye guys, love y'all.